My play is Microsoft, the stock slumping on a downgrade from UBS over its cloud services and Office Suite. UBS lowered the stock to neutral from buy and cut the price target by $50 to $250. Analyst Karl Kierstedt writing Microsoft's Azure cloud unit is, quote, entering a steep growth deceleration that could prove to be worse in fiscal 23-24 than investors are modeling, end quote. They added the market could be reaching saturation. Now, on the bright side of the information is actually reporting that Microsoft planning to launch a version of Bing that uses ChatGPT to answer search queries in a bid to make Bing more competitive with Google. Clearly, investors don't believe that's going to happen. If you look at what happened with the stock, Microsoft lost 29% of its value last year and shares falling more than 5%. So clearly, investors are not thinking Bing is going to be much of a Google competitor. You know my thoughts on this. I'm on a Yahoo Finance island. I think ChatGPT is going to change the way in which we live and work, Seana.
Yeah, I don't know if I'll go that far. It will be interesting to see what happens with it. I have a lot of questions. I don't think Bing, maybe this makes it a little bit competitive.
I don't think Bing will compete.
No,
Bing's a mess.
Bing is a mess, but maybe it makes it a little bit more competitive when you stack it up against Google. But Microsoft is real interesting when you take a look at the downtrend that we have certainly seen in that stock. Dave, you mentioned off 29% in 2022. Wall Street, though, is pretty optimistic despite this downgrade. 90% of analysts covering Microsoft right now actually have a buy rating on the stock. There's no sell ratings. Maybe a lot of that has to do with valuation. But I was surprised that significant of a number are optimistic on Microsoft, given the landscape right now for tech, higher rates, what that means for many of these companies.
ChatGPT.
And cloud, too.
ChatGPT. Maybe they're all listening to you.
Clearly,
they're very bullish on ChatGPT.
I just want to be a kid. I just want to be a kid in high school with ChatGPT out right now. I'm going to throw that out there.
That's one of the big stories in this country.
I love it.
How teachers will police that.
Yeah, it's
no
going
idea.
to be tough.